Roberto, good decision to bring that in on.
In the end, when happen a situation like this that you put inside one player, he score, it's good decision. He's a fantastic manager.
You're taking full credit for that.
Yeah, sure.
You look like you weren't prepared to take a point today.
You know, it was a difficult moment, and to go out from this difficult moment, you need to have one lucky situation. With Edin, we had this lucky situation. He came in and he scored a second goal. But I think that the most important thing is that we played well. We had a lot of chance. We scored, and we deserve to win this game.
You looked very pleased when you came off and you were shaking a lot of the lads' hands. Is this one of the most satisfying games of the season so far?
No, for this reason, because it was not difficult, but you know, after 3 draws, 1 defeat, but not because you deserve to do a 3 draw, but you concede a goal, you don't score, maybe you need a game like this, difficult game, because Fulham is a good team. They have a good manager, and I don't think that will be easy for the other team to win here.
It looks a little bit of a harsh penalty on the TV replays. You were talking to the referee as you came off. What were you saying?
If the referee got a penalty because he thought that was a penalty, but I don't think that it was penalty.
Nice to get a win in London and get the away wins going again this season.
Yeah, it's important to win here, it's important to win away, it's important that we play well.